Welcome to Real Talk English with Emma, your friendly English coach. Thank you for joining me. Today, I'm going to help you learn how to talk about Magic Weekend. I believe the real magic is our family, caring, learning, and loving every simple moment. Come join me as I share the magic weekend that make my life happiness. It's a bright weekend morning. I wakes up with a big smile. Today's special because it's family gathering day. I can't wait to make it magical for everyone. My team is still dreaming away, but Benny, the family dog, has a secret mission to wake everyone up with love and licks. Nothing beats family breakfast time. My pancakes look like magic spells. Each bite comes with laughter and love. Where will the family magic take them today? Maybe a park, a lake, or somewhere full of sunshine? And off our go. With songs, giggles, and Benny's happy bark, the road feels full of magic already. The grass is soft, the air smells sweet, and every smile feels like sunshine. Simple moments, yet full of magic. Even nature teaches. I says, look how ants work together. Learning can be simple and beautiful. The day is ending, but the warmth stays forever. Sometimes the best moments are simply being together. Back home again, but our hearts are still outdoors, full of laughter, love, and weekend magic. Maya whispers, the real magic is our family, caring, learning, and loving every simple moment. And just like that, the weekend's magic stays in our hearts forever. The moral of the story is real joy doesn't need grand plans. It blooms in simple acts of love, laughter, and togetherness. Thank you for listening to Real Talk English. Don't forget to subscribe and share this story with your friends and family. Bye for now. See you next time.